Don't worry, I'll be making this video that actually goes here in the next few days. I haven't had time to make it. If you can't see what's going on in here, we got a lot of stuff going on. I will be making this video relatively soon. You can go ahead and sign up before this video is actually made if you want to, and go ahead and reserve your access into the Friender Partner Program pilot. So we're going to start a Friender Partner Program unlike anything that we've ever actually had, unlike any partner program that we've ever had. So in order to do that, we're doing a pilot. We're only going to let 100 people into that pilot. If you'd like to, you can come. This isn't even the real video. This is just a placeholder video because I know some of you guys have been bugging me and you want to sign up right now. So I didn't want to have just like an empty video as some of you guys are coming to sign up. So this is just a placeholder video until I make the real video. This is limited to 100 people. You can read on the page. You can see what you're going to get access to here. You're going to get access. You're going to get access to live coaching and mentorship and accountability. It's been like 2 years since Ankita and I have actually done coaching since we've been on sabbatical, since our dog died. If you don't know, we have won multiple 2 Comma Club awards, 2 Comma Club C. We have built a multi-million-dollar company, and yeah, we kind of fell off for 2 years since we've been on sabbatical and our dog died, and we kind of changed directions with our life for a while. We focused on our health, on our physical bodies, and on our minds and on our spirits. And now we're back, I guess, to the real world. But you're going to get live coaching, mentorship, and accountability from me and Ankita. You are going to get VIP pilot access, so you're going to get basically exclusive behind-the-scenes access as we actually build out the Friender Partner Program in real time. So we're using the pilot program to build out this partner program in real time. So you're going to actually get to see behind the scenes of how we actually do that, how we build out this offer, how we market it, how we fill it up. You're going to get access to see the offer built in real time, and even give feedback on the offer as we actually build it, since it's for you guys anyways. You can get first in line qualification. So once we do have all the details of the Friender Partner Program finalized, you're going to be the first to be able to say, yep, this shit's for me. I'm in. I want to sign up at this level. You're going to get a Friender Intelligence account. So Friender has 5 different plan levels. If you're not aware, Friender has 5 different plan levels. We've got basically a free lead magnet plan, which is our basic plan. We do charge $9 a month or $90 a year for that plan, but we actually use it from Friender perspective, from our perspective, and in the partner perspective, as a lead magnet to get leads that we can then turn into customers. We got plan level 2, which is basically a full Friend Connector account to some extent. It's the lead generation side. It's all the Friend Connector capabilities on Friender. It's all the lead generation capabilities on Friender. That's plan level 2. We sell it for $29 or like $299 a year. Then we got plan level 3 that has automations, the Genius Messenger, the CRM, post profits, sending out messenger campaigns, follow-ups, tags, labels. It has the CRMs and other automation tools. At that level, we sell that for $49 a month or $349 a year. Then we have plan level 4. That's the AI layer. That's the Friender Intelligence layer, part of what we're actually designing and building out right now. I showed you guys the other day. If you're in the Friender beta group from when we actually first launched Friender, I showed you guys, I don't know if you can see it, but some of the AI stuff that we're working on, specifically with your voice Bible and your Dark Horse operating system, and then with your overall grade and score based on the posting framework and what you're actually wanting to accomplish, your alignment report, your action plan, and your accountability for your actual action plan, and then just a normal AI integration, the AI layer to actually help you analyze your data or write posts or or write messages or respond to comments or prime your feed. So Friender Intelligence, that's plan level 4. That's the AI layer. That's $97 a month or $797. We're not actually selling that publicly right now. That's just because that's what we're actively working on right now and actually building out. Then plan level 5 is like agency. We don't have any features on plan level 5 yet. Those are still on the roadmap those are the roadmap to come. So we're giving you that plan level 4, that Friender Intelligence account. We're giving you that, and then we're also giving you agency accounts and Friend Connector, which we still sell to this day and people still sign up for to this day for $31 for the basic plan and an extra $30 a month for the pro plan that gives all the advanced features. So that's $61 a month that people actually give us for that software. We're giving you 100 agency accounts that you can resell on that. We're giving you 100 accounts on Genius Messenger CRM. That's the actual CRM, the labels, the tags, the broadcast messaging. We still sell that. We sell it for $47 a month or $297 a year, and people still come in and sign up for that. We're giving you 100 agency accounts on that you can resell, distribute to your customers, add with your offer. Engagement Monster AI. We've never offered a partner program on this before. I guess like a week, 2 weeks ago, we just started a partner program, and for $100 I gave you 25 agency accounts. I'm giving you 100 of them right here, right now for the same $100. So we gave you with the Engagement Monster AI partnership just for Engagement Monster AI. Now this is a software that goes out and primes your feed, and it automates your engagement buddies. So these two concepts of priming your feed and then having engagement buddies that come in and you and your little group of engagement buddies, you engage on each other's stuff to help your stuff get initial traction. It automates all of that. The partner program we gave you guys was $100 a month for 25 accounts, or $200 a month for 75 accounts, or $300 a month for 150 accounts. We're giving you right here, right now, 100 accounts on that software that we sell for $29 a month or $47 a month. We're giving you 100 accounts right now for that same $100. All right. And then you're also going to get 100 Friender basic accounts. So the actual Friender software. Remember, I told you we have 5 different plan levels. Well, that plan level 1 that we sell for $90 or for $9 a month or $99 a year, we're giving you 100 accounts, 100 of those basic accounts that you can actually that you can issue. You can put customers in to get started. So you're getting 100. You're getting 100 of those basic Friender accounts that allows you to actually put people directly into Friender. That's like birthday wishers there, friend disconnector, and friend disconnector is there. So those are our other softwares that have actually now been migrated into Friender. So you can go ahead and sign up right now. Like I said, this is not the real video that goes here. This page isn't even fully finished. As I build it, like I said, we've got lots of stuff going on. We're really focused on Friender, plus we're doing jiu-jitsu and training over here. So several of you guys have been in my messages wanting access to this thing that we're building, wanting access to these reseller accounts, wanting access to this pilot program for the Friender partnership that we're building. So you can go ahead and sign up for it right now if you want to sign up for it. Watch us build the rest of it out inside the private group if you want, or if you just want to wait till it's all polished up, you can come back and see if one of the 100 spots, because we only have 100 spots here, one of the 100 spots is still available for you. If it's not, then it's not. But you can sign up right down there.